It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Power Rangers Ninjetti. In this video series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay from the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie. This video is part 4 of the series, and we're going to be making the bracers. You can follow along with this tutorial to make the White Ranger or any of the other Rangers. If you enjoy my videos and my tutorials, please remember to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. Start by tracing your pattern onto your vinyl or EVA foam if you're using EVA foam, and cutting out your bracer patterns and your shin armor patterns. The first thing we're going to do is sew the trim on the top and the bottom of the bracers. Line up your gold trim and get ready to sew. First, you're going to sew the top of the trim flush with the top of the bracer. Cut off the trim and leave a little bit of extra to fold over. Next, sew the bottom of the trim. Fold over the remaining edges and sew it down on the back side of the bracer. Repeat for the other side. When you're done, your trim will look like this. Do the same thing for the bottom of the bracer. And when it's complete, your bracers will look like this. Next, we're going to punch holes into our bracers so that we can use a shoestring to thread and secure it to our arms and legs. I'm making a mark that is 1 inch apart, and I'm using my leather puncher, hole puncher, to cut a hole at those marks. You can also just cut it with a craft knife. Using a shoestring, secure your bracer to your arm. Now we're going to make all the diamonds that are on the costume. You can do this by drawing diamond shapes into the EVA foam and cutting them out. You would need a large diamond shape, a medium diamond shape, and a small diamond shape. My large diamond shape that I'm making is about 2 inches. You can cut them out of EVA foam. Use the heat gun to warm up the EVA foam and draw score lines close to the edge of the diamond. Another way is to use foam clay and press the EVA foam clay into the molds shaped like a diamond. This is the method that I use for my Ninjetti cosplay. I'll put a link in the description below, linking where I got these molds from. I found them on Etsy. The large mold is 7.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. The medium mold is 3.5 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. And the small mold is 2 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. You need 4 large diamonds, 15 medium-sized diamonds, and 28 small diamonds for one Ninjetti cosplay. After the molds are dry, clip off the extra material on the ends to give you a clean diamond shape. It takes 48 hours to let it air dry, or if you don't want to wait that long, you can put you can put the diamonds in the oven for about 10 minutes on low heat. If you're making any of the other Ranger colors besides the White Ranger, you're going to leave the diamonds white on the middle and paint the edges gold. If you're making the White Ranger Ninjetti like me, you're going to paint your diamonds black. I'm using black acrylic paint in my paintbrush. And then after they dry, you're going to paint the edges gold. The small diamonds you're going to paint entirely gold. After your diamonds are dry, you're going to arrange your diamonds onto your bracers in this orientation. One large diamond in the center, one medium diamond above it, one medium diamond below it, and 3 small diamonds on the side in a triangle formation. The orientation should look like this. Glue all your diamonds into place. Super glue worked the best for me. And there you have it. Your Ninjetti cosplay is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know how you did. Please remember to follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook, and send me a picture of your progress or your complete Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay. I would love to see your photos. Always remember, adventure awaits, so get out into the world and explore. I'll see you next time. Peace.